Tutorial I'll show you how to find maximum power point of a solar cell. Okay, and for that we have to browse a library and Simscape, then electrical, and under sources you will find solar cell here. Okay, I'm dragging this here, and under Simscape foundation library. Okay, then electrical, under electrical element we will need a variable register. Okay, to find the maximum power point, and we will need electrical reference. Okay, and then under sensor, voltage sensor and current sensor, and utilities, PS Simulink converter and Simulink PS converter, as well as solver configuration block. Okay, and then we need a scope. Okay, that's all I need. And now I'm connecting a solar cell to variable register block here. Connect it here, and then you have to put your emitter block here and close the circuit. Okay, and for input irradiances I need a constant block here, and initially I'm setting as 1000. Okay, and for input irradiance we need to Simulink base converter and connect it here. Okay, and for current measurement, this is base Simulink converter, and voltage measurement, and this is our voltage measurement block here. Okay, and I'm dragging it here. Okay, and for measuring power we need a product block. Okay, add electrical reference and solver configuration block here, and double clicking on canvas and type product. Okay, this is a product block, and this is current, and this is voltage. This will give us our power. Okay, and I'm connecting scope, and by double clicking on the scope I am setting input as 2 and layout. Okay, now click OK, and this is our power. Okay, this is power, and this is our voltage. Okay, and rename it as voltage. Okay, now we have to configure our solar cell, and now here you can see the short circuit current about 7.34 ampere and open circuit voltage 0.6. Okay, here for panel configuration I am setting series connected cell light 150. Okay, and parallel string with 2, it will give us about maximum power 1 kilowatt. Okay, for resistance we need a ramp, and I'm sticking slope as 1.5, and sorry, we need a Simulink base converter. Okay, now run this model. Now you can see our power and voltage. Okay, you can see the power is increasing, and its peak value, and again it decreases for tool measurement and select peak finder. Okay, and this is power. You can see the power peak value is 1019. Okay, so I'm noting it here at 100. Maximum power is 1019. Okay, 1019, and I'm closing this, and when the irradiance value like 800. Okay, now run this model. You can see our peak value is 801. Okay, this is 801, and at 500 So and run this model, and you can see peak value is about 482. Okay, this is a 482. 482. I have manually calculated this maximum power point. Okay, you can also take as array as an input and find the maximum power at various point. Okay, so this is the simplest way, or one of the way you can find maximum power point of a solar cell. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.